So our agenda for today's event is Part 1, Introduction, Part 2, Roadmap for EH Junior Leadership, Part 3, Program Details, Part 4, Role, Responsibilities, and Expectations, Part 5, Assessment Criteria, Part 6, Module, and lastly, Part 7 is the EH points. So let's proceed now with the introduction. EH Junior Leadership is where the launching ground for the next generation of extraordinary and heroic Filipino leaders. It is more than just a leadership program. It is a transformative journey that shapes both skill and character for young individuals. They are trained not only to excel in what they do, but to embody the values and integrity that define true leadership. So, EH Junior Leadership is where leadership is not just a title or position, but a daily practice of being extraordinary and heroic, starting today for the benefit of tomorrow.
Now we will proceed for our program, Roadmap and Journey. So this is your, kumbaga ito po yung guide nyo papunta dun sa EH Junior Leadership Program natin. So for today, which is August 20, 2025, to nag-register kayo and then now nag-attend kayo ng orientation. So this is the first start ng journey nyo. So attend orientation. Next is the part 1, which is starting early, 5 Ws and 1 H for young leaders. So we have a session 1 to 4 for these, and we will having tasks, examination, collaboration, and final assessment. So the duration for this part 1, which is August 27 until September 30, 2025. And next, we have the part 2, which is key leadership areas. We will having our session 1 to 5, task, examination, and collaboration, and final assessment. So the duration will be October 1 to November 26, 2025. And next, we have our practicum to apply all the topics na napakinggan natin, yung collaboration, yung task, and also collaboration with co-potential EH leader, and we will having our culmination event, which is we will be conducting the practicum until December 1 to 12, 2025. And also, or lastly, to recognize all the hard work and efforts na binigay nyo during this program, we will having our recognition and awarding. And first, before our awarding ceremony, meron tayong email blasting and announcement. So we will be conducting the recognition and awarding on January 2026. So this is our roadmap for our EH Junior Leadership Program. And to give you program details for our first part, which is starting early 5 Ws and 1 H for young leaders, we have our session 1, expected output, to understand the deeper purpose of leadership as a means to create positive, lasting impact for others for a greater cause, clarify their own leadership identity and values by connecting personal purpose with leadership action, and also to define what leadership means beyond a title or position. So the objectives for this is to understand why we have to lead and how to lead with a purpose, to assess if they understand the topics and gain interaction with other potential EH leader, and lastly, to learn the true meaning of leadership. And for the program details for the first session that we have in part 1, which is we have 2 topics per week. Meron tayong 2 topics. We will be conducting Wednesday and Friday for this, which is the first topic is to know the purpose of leadership and also what leadership is and is not. So for that, for the first topic that we have, which is next week, Wednesday, August 27, 2025, 5:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And next topics will be on Friday, same time pa rin, 5:30 p.m. to 7:30. 2 hours po ito, and then both online po ito na, na session. Next is our roles and responsibilities and expectations. So, employee engagement band team or the EH implementer, which will be the role or responsibility is to have internal communication to all employees or enrollees or the potential EH leader, and to deliver training modules and leadership development activities, prepare materials and tools that align with the EH framework, and track assess progress or a participant, and also collaboration and coordination with EH school for the program adjustment and for improvement. Next is our EH school. We have our program provider to set the direction for the EH leadership program, approve curriculum or training flow in line with the EH goals and objectives, select and confirm EH leaders as mentor and speakers. Ito pong mga mentor natin is to be announced po ito kung sino yung sa mentor po natin, and oversee implementation and ensure quality delivery. And lastly, to evaluate program impact and decide on next leadership staff for our graduates. And we have our EH leaders, mentors, and speaker to share a real-life leadership experience through talks and mentoring, mentor participant in applying EH principle in actual scenarios, and give constructive feedback on performance and growth areas, and to be a model extraordinary and heroic behavior in their work, and also to motivate and inspire participants to aim for higher leadership standard and objectives. And for the participant as a potential junior leaders, so ito po yung ating responsibility is to fully commit to all session, practicums, examination, and program requirements, and to complete assigned tasks and projects with excellence, and live out our each values and our brand of service that we have. We have our I Do Roadshow, and to collaborate and provide peer feedback to fellow participants, and to apply learnings in real work situations and community engagement. So this is very important. Lahat naman ng matututunan po natin dito, ang kailangan natin gawin is paano natin siya ma-apply in real work or in our life. And our next is the program expectation for the participants. So, sa participant as a potential junior leaders is, since this is a voluntary program, we expect all the participants to commit wholeheartedly to the journey of becoming an extraordinary and heroic leader. So, sana wala po itong sapilitan. And to full commitment, participate actively in all program activities with focus, energy, and a growth mindset. So, next is no overtime compensation. So, the participation in session and completion of tasks are not chargeable as overtime. So, it will base on extra effort. And session attendance, attend all scheduled session on time and stay engaged throughout. Task completion, submit all assigned tasks and practicums within the given deadlines and high standard. And also to apply our each values in action, our I Do Roadshow. Integrity, discipline, ownership, relationship, option, communication, commitment, humility, extra positivism, and relentless in every activity that we have. And next, for the program expectation for completion for this program, to successfully complete the program, the participant must pass the program expectation, be rated as either extraordinary or potential based on overall performance in tasks and practicums, attendance session, application of each topic in real situations, and also we will having our peer feedback and mentor evaluation. So for the attendance guide, for all employees on site or work from home, so the option will be to attend the live session or live attendance po tayo, both part 1 and part 2 of the sessions. And next naman po, for our employees that kumbaga may engagement secondment, or field work, if you are unable to attend the program in the regular schedule to the secondment or field work assignment, you may choose from the following option to complete your program requirement, which is option 1 nyo pa rin naman po mag-attend sa live session, or option 2 po, we will be providing po yung code for the recorded session po natin. So you need to watch the recorded videos of part 1 and part 2 and ensure that you finish both recordings and submit any required outputs or reflections. Next is to for the program expectation for the task submission guide. After completing the session or discussion, so for the activity, you must collaborate with your competential leaders if the activity requires group input. So expect po natin na magkakaroon po tayo ng collaboration with other leaders. And submit your activity on or before the given deadline. So send your output via email to employee_engagement@sjcgroup.ph. I-copy po natin ang ehcool@sjcgroup.ph. So also, always check or ensure if the EEBT has replied to acknowledge receipt of your submission. And for the additional preparation for presentation, depending on the facilitator or our speaker, based on the instruction nila, you may be asked to present your activity during the session. It depends. Always come prepared to share and present if required. Next, for our benefits of each junior leadership, we have Ms. Joy to discuss.
Okay, so napakaganda naman po ng mga sinabi ni Ms. Nika, which is mas nakita niyo po, mas naintindihan niyo po kung ano nga ba yung mga gagawin natin sa EH Junior Leadership. So ngayon naman, let's proceed on the benefits of EH Junior Leadership. Again, leadership begins the moment you choose to be accountable for more than yourself. Okay, so first na benefits of each junior leadership is a purpose-driven leadership. Learn to lead not for titles or position, but to create lasting impact for people and the nation. So second one, courage to be extraordinary. Stand firm for what is right, even when the difficult, and inspire others to do the same. Ayan. So, the third is thrive in change, not in fear. Face change with adaptability, resilience, and the relentless drive to find solutions. So, fourth one is develop nation building from day one. Ayan. So, from day one pa lang, you are developing a nation building, or you are helping our nation. So, the mindset of a leader who sees every act of service as part of stepping the future. So, next one of the benefits of each junior leadership is a guidance from your EH mentors. Be shaped by leaders who live out the extraordinary and heroic life. So, next one is a team and collaboration. So, build trust, unite people, and create solutions that last. Sabi nga ni Ms. Nika kanina, you will have tasks. So, mas makakreate nyo yung, mas makaka-create kayo ng teamwork and collaboration with other people here in SCP and also sa ating mga, sa ibang department or sa ibang guild na meron tayo. So, lastly, a foundation for a lifelong leadership. Start your journey now to become the future leader that will lead tomorrow. Okay? So, next one, I will present to you the EH points. So, from each learner to EH leader. So, ano nga ba yung EH points? So, the EH points are your mark of progress as an extraordinary and heroic leader. Every program you join, every challenge you take, and every action you live in the EH way adds to your points. So, the more you grow, serve, and lead, the higher you rise, unlocking new EH levels of recognition and opportunities to create a greater impact. So, how it works? every time you participate in the EH program, training, challenges, or leadership projects, you earn EH points, just like the CPD units for professionals. So, the EH points is like the CPD units, kung alam po natin yon. So, makaka-earn tayo ng EH points through training, challenges, and leadership projects na masasamahan po ninyo. So points reflect both your involvement and your commitment to applying the EH way in real life. So why it matters? Each point tracks your growth over time, motivate consistent learning and engagement, serves as a record of your EH journey, leading to higher recognition, certifications, and leadership opportunities. So how to build more points? Join EH program and events regularly. Volunteer the leadership roles and projects, and also apply the EH way daily in work and in community life. So, yun po yung mga kailangan nating gawin para tayo ay maka-earn pa po ng ating EH points. So, the EH points will reflect through POFT Hero tool na ila-launch po namin soon. Okay, so we have the commitment pledge. So we invite everyone, or we encourage everyone to open your camera. Ayan po, and have the background po na sinend po namin sa inyo. And then, samahan niyo po kami or sabay-sabay po tayong magkaroon ng commitment pledge sa ating EH Junior Leadership by Miss Janica Delgado po.
Okay. Thank you po, Joy. Are we ready po sa ating commitment pledge? Pwede po ba tayong mag-type ng yes if we are already ready dun sa commitment and we understood yung ating expectation or guide na present po kanina. So, for the commitment pledge, as I begin my EH Junior Leadership journey, I am, state your name, I make this pledge. I choose to say yes to growth, yes to responsibility, and yes to becoming an extraordinary and heroic leader. And I will live by the EH values and brand of service with integrity, discipline, ownership, relationship, options, communication, commitment, humility, extra positivism, and relentless in my thoughts, words, and actions. Show with excellence, prepared on time, and ready to contribute to our mission and vision. And take ownership of my learning, my action, and my impact to support and uplift others, knowing that leadership is service, seek solutions, not excuses, and raise about challenges with courage, commit to continuous improvement, learning from every experience. I understand that this journey is not just about completing a program. It is about transforming myself into a leader who inspires, uplifts, and makes a difference and be a role model. So help us God. So thank you so much po for that.